If you're someone who enjoys dining out, experiencing new entertainment, and making the most of your travel, the Capital One SavorOne Cash Rewards credit card could be a great fit for you. This card stands out with its rewarding cashback program, offering significant benefits for those who spend frequently on food and fun. The Capital One SavorOne credit card earns unlimited 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores, excluding superstores like Walmart and Target. You also get 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 8% on purchases made through Capital One Entertainment, and 1% on all other purchases. This range of reward categories makes it an attractive option for those who like to maximize their rewards on diverse spending. One of the key features of the SavorOne is its $0 annual fee, which means you can enjoy its benefits without paying a yearly cost. It also comes with no foreign transaction fees, making it a solid choice for international travel. Additionally, new cardholders can earn a $200 cash bonus after spending $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. The card also offers an introductory 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months, with a variable APR of 19.99% to 29.99% applying thereafter. While the SavorOne does offer compelling rewards, it's important to note that other cards might provide higher cash back rates in certain categories. For example, cards like the Capital One Savor Rewards credit card, which is no longer available to new applicants, offer higher cash back rates but come with a $95 annual fee. Similarly, the CD Double Cash card offers 2% cash back on all purchases, but lacks the specialized rewards on dining and entertainment that the SavorOne provides. In conclusion, the Capital One SavorOne credit card is a strong contender for those who prioritize dining out and entertainment. It combines generous rewards with valuable travel benefits and a no annual fee structure, making it a solid choice for frequent spenders in these categories. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.